Hey, Ajayasthrominee Guru crew. Nina here, your trusty guide through the wild world of commodities. Today, on the 7th of June 2024, we are dissecting the latest LME copper deep and why a critical US jobs report has everyone on edge. Get ready to uncover the key factors shaping copper prices and what it means for your investments. Let's kick things off in China, the heavyweight champion of copper consumption. Copper prices on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, are actually up 1.1% today, settling at 81,850 yuan, $11,296.82 per ton. But over on the London Metal Exchange, LME, we are seeing a different story. LME copper took a 0.3% hit, now at $10,115 per metric ton. Why the disconnect? Well, it seems China's recent buying frenzy has cooled off. Remember those sky-high prices we saw in late May? They were partly driven by the fear of copper shortages, given its vital role in the booming green energy sector. But now, demand seems to be easing up. Here's where things get interesting. The US dollar has been on a downward slide, hitting an 8-week low. Now, this is good news for copper buyers outside the US. A weaker dollar makes dollar-denominated commodities like copper more affordable for those holding other currencies. Friday's US jobs report is the main event everyone's waiting for. It could be the final piece of the puzzle for the Federal Reserve. If the report reveals a weakening job market, it'll strengthen the case for interest rate cuts as early as September. And those rate cuts? They could shake up commodity markets worldwide. A glimpse at other metals. LME, aluminum inched up 0.2% to $2,651.50 per ton. Nickel gained 0.6%, reaching $18,645. Zinc saw a 0.4% increase, settling at $2,920.50. Tin also rose by 0.7% to $32,425, while lead stayed put at $2,241.50. SHFE, aluminum ticked 0.6% higher to 21,345 yuan per ton. Lead saw a tiny 0.1% gain to 18,845 yuan. Tin jumped a whopping 2.3% to 267,060 yuan. Zinc climbed 0.9% to 24,215 yuan, and nickel edged up 0.6% to 142,830 yuan. Keep your eyes glued to Ajayasthrominee Guru for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on how the US jobs report impacts copper and other commodities. We'll be breaking down the data and giving you actionable insights to navigate these market shifts. Don't miss out on our expert analysis and market predictions. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and join the conversation in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on the copper market and how you think the US jobs report will play out.